I'm Deanne Ray, your public communication coach and trainer. Today I'm going to teach you what a magazine media kit is. Your magazine's media kit introduces advertisers to your magazine's concept, readers, and revenue generating potential. In short, it tells advertisers how you can meet their needs and the needs of their clients, how you're different from the competition, and most important, how your magazine reaches their target audience. Here's what you need to know and include in your magazine media kit to grab advertisers' attention. Your magazine media kit is a 5 to 10 page document that includes your mission or positioning statement, audience analysis including readers, demographics, circulation breakdown, and ad rates. A mission statement contains certain key components, the purpose of the publication, what it provides, and its core audience. It is a clear and generally no more than 2 or 3 sentences. A positioning statement identifies the target audience, their needs, and the unique solution or value proposition you provide. It is often longer than a traditional mission statement. A reader's profile is a portion of the media kit that includes such demographic and psychographic research as readers, age, income level, buying power, education, occupation. It also contains tables, charts, and graphs. It helps convey their information at a glance. In the circulation breakdown, media kit provides information about your magazine circulation. For magazine startups, include a distribution plan instead. For example, initial distribution will focus on the top 25 domestic and international design markets in the addition to a strong effort in major bookstores and venues where Dreamhouse believes it will have access to readers. Another thing is rates are the bottom line of the advertising executives, so communicate ad rates as clearly as possible and offer several options at various price points. Break down ad costs from black and white to full color, from quarter page ads to full page ads, and everything in between. Provide options for one-issue advertising to one-year contracts. Remember, it's the advertising executives who control a large portion of your revenue, so grab their attention with a good media kit. Once again, I am Deanne Ray, your public communication coach and trainer. Thanks for watching.